3,000 followers on Instagram. Guys, stay subscribed, stay followed to Wheels of Experience so you get all the fresh updates as soon as possible from us. And it's Thursday morning right now. It's 6:44 in the morning, and you won't believe, you know, that's Wellness Forever over there, and we bought almost 1,200 rupees of medikits, first aid kits, and every emergency stuff we can carry. So guys, a message to you people that whenever possible, whenever you are heading up for a long ride, such as like 1,000 or 1,200 kilometer ride, make sure that you carry enough amount of first aid kit, because anything may happen and तभी regret करने से कोई फायदा नहीं होगा. So I am with Raj. Okay, luckily he's here. What's up people? So I was just updating that, you know, finally 1200 रुपए के दवाई लेके हो गए भाई अपना. Yeah. So that's it for the point, guys. We are gonna head up on Saturday morning, as you guys know, and we are all set. Not exactly all set, but आज packing करेंगे. Actually, so very excited for that, especially. We'll keep you posted. Finally, the date has arrived. It's 30th today, and 9:55 in my watch, and I'm almost waiting for next 6 hours because 4 o'clock is gonna be the flag of time from Gansoli. Besides MACD.
Wolfpack here, Wolfpack. It's great to see you guys going over there. It's a long trip. So congratulations, Alpha.
I would like to wish you all a happy and a very safe journey to the Wolfpack there, and enjoy your stay.
All the very best. Ride safe.
Hey guys, ride safe, have fun and enjoy. Happy journey.
Hey Sarvesh, this is Akshay. All the best to Sarvesh and his team.
Hi, this is Chaitanya, and I wish you a safe ride to Sarvesh and his all team.
Hi Sarvesh, this is Prasad. Happy journey and all the best. Have a safe ride and for the team as well.
I wish I could have joined you guys. I'll join you next time. Make sure you come safe.
Yeah, all the very best.
Finally, I just left from office, guys. I'm leaving now. Okay, it's 1:30. I'm going home. I'll take my bags and everything, and I'm gonna meet Sachin first, and then Sarvesh, and then we are gonna head up to the flag up station. That's gonna be Mape. So it's very excitement level. The excitement level is like, y'all can actually see it on my face. I'm actually waiting to get this ride started. So please stay tuned, stay subscribed, and thank you so much. Woof.
Hey guys, I'm leaving from my home right now. Yes, it's the day when we are going for a ride. Sarvesh, Raj and Sachit are leaving from Thane, and me and Jason will be meeting them at Gansoli petrol pump near the McDonald's, and we'll be flying home by 4 o'clock today. And just please, I have my that you can see, you know, that is how I am, completely suit up. I got my bike somewhere downstairs there. Yeah, you won't be able to see it. I'll show it to you later. But yes, please stay tuned, and for, you know, there will be more exciting updates to be coming up. Ciao, bye bye.
First of July, and the day has come when we are riding to Bangalore.
I'm waiting at the Gansoli petrol pump right here. If you can see this, and this is the MACD that I was talking about. And yes, I'm waiting for Jason, Raj, Sarvesh, and Sachin Dushman to come in. It's like almost it's almost like 3:30 right now. They'll be coming in here by right anytime, like in 15 minutes or something like that. But that's completely fine because we're leaving at 4 o'clock and we have enough time to fuel up. 15 minutes is right enough, right? What say, guys? Yeah, it is. You just have to fuel up and then you leave. So yes, by the time these guys come, I'll be waiting for these guys. Thank you, thank you for the light. You know, no street lights on the street, man. Come on, how I'm gonna? कैसे गाड़ी चलाएंगे यार? कैसे चलाएंगे? चलो कोई बात नहीं, तमाशे कुछ ज़्यादा हो गए, आ जाएंगे. नौटंकी है, नौटंकी. See you guys. Bye bye. Stay tuned. Oh yes, Jason is here, and yeah, this is Adrian. Hi. He's from the DRC club from Dombivli. You know, if you want to join him, you can, you know, subscribe to him or stay tuned on Instagram.
Y'all can even like their page, subscribe on Instagram too. And these people are nice. So that they are going to Bangalore. This guy, this is his fourth ride.
Yeah.
Fourth ride, I guess, right?
Third ride,
the longest ride. So let's see. Hope for the best. Cheers.
Yeah.
Wolf.
Cheers, guys. So we are waiting for Sarvesh, Raj and Sachin Dushman right now. they'll be here by any time. It's almost like 3:50 right now, and yes, as soon as they come, the ride is going to begin. And stay tuned for the exciting updates. Bye bye guys. Ciao.
Okay, we are finally at the Ghansali petrol pump, just besides McD. McD band hai, I know. And saddle ka thoda Indian version mein bandobast hua hai. I'll definitely update you guys later what exactly happened this morning. And Pritam and Raj are getting fueled up. So Bumblebee is spending with us. Amar sirf aise time pass guest liye aaya hai. But I really appreciate that you are here. Adrian is along with us. Adrian messaged me 2 days ago. 2 days, yes, last 1 day. One or 2 days ago on Instagram, and yes, the moment he got his update, he was standing here from a long time. Really sorry, Adrian, for that point.
I was waiting for them, and it's been around half an hour. I'm waiting for them. Unfortunately, luckily, I saw Pritam. I saw their flag, so that time I came to know, okay, Wolf is over here, so why not wait?
That's a beautiful moment. Like, listen, just like Mumbai karne ke liye, I really feel good about it. But really, I appreciate that one. Seriously. And Aman is over here.